ExxonMobil Bayou Classic STEM Fest. So every single year for the Bayou Classic, they have a big press conference where they bring together both schools, both coaches, and they bring the media out to talk about the Bayou Classic, which is a huge game that's played every year, Thanksgiving weekend in the Superdome. And then as soon as they walked out of the press conference, we rolled into the STEM Fest. So there are 60 plus stations here today. So they can do everything from fly a drone, make slime, they can learn about a good heart versus a bad heart, a good lung versus a bad lung. So all kinds of really fun, hands-on science activities. Again, I said 60 plus stations, so lots and lots of science, technology, engineering, and math. So in our makerspace, they're making cars today. So that is one of the more interesting, exciting things. One of the things we like to do at a STEM Fest or all of our activities is make sure that the kids leave with something that they made. Because there's this idea about connecting engineers solve problems and children have to make things, right? Part of solving the problem is to make something. So they get to leave a STEM Fest saying that they made their own car that they can race and drive, and forever, even after they're not here anymore, they'll remember that at the ExxonMobil Bayou Classic STEM Fest, they made a car and they took it home and it's theirs.
I made a fire car and it has red flames and orange at the bottom, and I put pom-poms on it. Okay, so you press the button and this will go on and it can move by itself. When I turn it on, the wind pushes it.
So ExxonMobil is excited to partner with STEM Nola and the Bayou Classic because one of the things that is important to us is to invest in the community and also invest in the future of ExxonMobil. What I mean by that is we're looking to create the future engineers, the future scientists, the future of our industry, and we do that by investing early. So STEM Nola has a unique opportunity to really invest in young people very early, all the way from kindergarten to 12th grade, and introduce them to STEM. Introducing them to science, technology, engineering, and math at an early age will help to create those opportunities in the future where they will be our future leaders for this industry. That's very similar to my story, where I was introduced to STEM early, and that's what put me on the path of becoming an engineer. Some of the favorite things I'm seeing is, first of all, the kids. They're lighting up just by seeing things that they've never seen before, just being introduced to different technology, things that are so cool and different and new. So that's the first thing. But then seeing how technology just continues to advance and the things that these kids are being introduced to, things that I never saw years ago, but now it's like this is the state of art. Whether that's virtual reality or robotics or anything in between, it's just the idea of innovation and how things continue to evolve. That's exciting to see.
Why are you playing with it like that? Look at your nerves in your body. Imagine these wires right here are basically like your nerves, right? So then we can control different components of the house. Right? All right, tell me when to Lego.